The Palestine-Israel conflict is one of the most contentious and heartbreaking struggles in modern history. It's a tale of displacement, resilience, and an unyielding fight for justice. But how did we get here, and what's happening today? Our story begins over a century ago. Palestine, a land rich with ancient history, was under Ottoman Empire's rule. It was home for a diverse population, predominantly Arab Muslims and Christians, living in harmony. In 1917, the Balfour Declaration changed the course of history. British government promised a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, setting the stage for decades of turmoil. As Jewish immigrants sought refuge from persecution in Europe, tensions escalated. Palestinian Arabs watched as their lands were taken and their communities uprooted. In 1947, the United Nations proposed a partition plan, dividing Palestine into separate Jewish and Arab states. Palestinians were asked to give up more than half of their homeland, a proposal they couldn't accept. In 1948, war broke out. Israel declared independence, leading to the displacement of over 700,000 Palestinians. Homes were destroyed, villages erased, a catastrophe known as Nakba. The Nakba, or catastrophe, remains a scar on the Palestinians' heart. Families were torn apart, dreams shattered, and a nation was left in exile. Decades of military occupation followed. The West Bank and Gaza Strip became flashpoints of conflict, with settlements expanding and lives under constant threat. The late 20th century saw the rise of Palestinian resistance. The uprisings were marked by a fierce determination for freedom. Children armed with stones faced heavily armored soldiers in a desperate fight for their future. Today, Gaza is a land under siege. Blockades, bombings, and humanitarian crises define daily life. The West Bank, fragmented by settlements and barriers, sees dreams of peace fade away. In recent years, the situation has only worsened. Protests erupt, met with brutal crackdowns. The world watches, but for many, action is slow to come. The latest situation in the Palestine-Israel crisis has seen continued violence and destruction. Israel's military operations in Gaza have resulted in significant casualties and damage, with the death toll among Palestinians surpassing 37,000. Efforts for a ceasefire are going on, with international mediators like Qatar involved in negotiations. The UN Security Council has passed a resolution calling for a truce, while hostilities between Israeli forces and Palestinian groups persist. Protests and international diplomatic activities continue to shape the response to the crisis. Yet, among the despair, the spirit of the Palestinian people remains unbroken. They dream of returning to their homes, of a future without fear, of justice finally prevailing. The Palestine-Israel conflict is more than a struggle over land. It's a fight for dignity, identity, and a future where peace and justice can flourish. We must listen, learn, and stand in solidarity with those who seek a brighter tomorrow. To understand the full story and support efforts for peace, visit the links in the description. Together, we can make a difference.